Hey, good evening and welcome to this special edition of Ask Woody Wednesday. It's not very often that I get a chance to really kind of firsthand show you guys in real time something insurance related. I'm super excited because tonight we're going to talk about the future. Now, before you go and lace up your auto lace Nikes and get your hoverboard out and start listening to Huey Lewis and the news, that was a Back to the Future 2 reference, by the way, I want to talk about the future of insurance and the insurance industry, most specifically the auto insurance industry. If you are here in the state of Georgia and you're watching this, but anywhere really in the nation, you already know because we've talked about it time and time again here on this show, but just in general that auto insurance rates are a lot higher than they used to be. What exactly do insurance companies use to determine the auto insurance rate? The list is a very long one, but if we could just simplify it down and just kind of distill it down to one thing, it would be statistics, right? What is the statistical likelihood that you're gonna be involved in an at-fault incident or be involved in an incident that wasn't your fault, but you're gonna have to make a claim? Is it a perfect system? No. But here's the good news. There are insurance carriers out there right now that literally work on and have specific departments that are just dedicated to innovating and being able to provide more accurate insurance rates. Now, one of the things that's come on the market in the past, couple of years are telematics devices or usage-based insurance rating. The reason why data and usage-based technologies are super important is that myself, for example, I haven't had an accident or a traffic ticket in a long time, at least 10, but probably closer to 20 years. It's kind of hard to say that out loud now that I think about it, that I've been driving that long. Yeah, wait, yeah. Do I think it's fair necessarily that the rating factor that has to do with my driving habits are based on other folks my age and my zip code and or city or county or whatever? I don't know. So this is just another opportunity to be another data point to provide a level of accuracy that is really going to be beneficial for all of us consumers involved. Right now is the time to kind of strike, if so to speak, to take advantage of programs that carriers have in place so that you can earn and have the opportunity to earn discounts on your auto premiums. I mean, who doesn't like a discount? So there are a lot of carriers that offer these types of programs, but I am super excited. Finally, I get the opportunity to test out one of our carriers' telematics devices and their discount to see what kind of discount I'm gonna earn based on my usage and my wife's usage and our driving habits and activity. So I'm super excited that I get to test out Safeco's driving-based, usage-based discount program. It's called Right Track. I'm kind of going to share with you my experience as a customer because I want you to know and I want to be fully transparent, and if it stinks, then I will tell you, and I'll tell you the different ways that I think it can improve if there are any. But just right out of the gate, I gotta tell you, it was so incredibly simple to sign up. Literally one click of a button. I got an email almost immediately that said, hey, thank you for signing up. Your devices will be in the mail in a few days. Just actually got them in yesterday. This is the box that it comes in, and I gotta tell you, just right whenever you open it up, one of the first things here is a important please keep. So they've got a no postage necessary packing envelope that you will use when your evaluation period is done. A lot of different carriers have different evaluation times. Some are 45 days. Safeco's is 90 on an average. That makes me kind of excited because if I have something that sort of counts against me, I feel like that gives me a lot of days there to kind of get that discount grade back up. It also gives you some instructions about where to specifically find your port. And to be honest with you, it is a port that if you're a car guy, you will easily be able to find it. It's where, the folks at a shop will plug in to get your diagnostics. If you're not a car person, then no problem. It's so easy. I'm gonna show you right now just how quick, just how easy. This isn't movie magic. This is literally me going out to the Roads Group Rhino and plugging it in. All right, just to kind of give you a frame of reference about the size of this device, here's the device, and here is a golf ball. So you can kind of get the gist of kind of how big the device is. I mean, it's teeny tiny. It goes straight into that port. Super easy to install. It literally took like seconds to just open up the door, plug it in. You wait for those lights to light up, which indicates that it is working. After your very first trip, that's whenever it starts, it's activated. So I'm super excited about this for a lot of different reasons. One, I'm excited about showing you in real time what it's like. Maybe I'll do an episode about the update on my discount, because one of the other features that's just great is you can actually log into the online account and track your status in terms of your final discount. After the 90 days is up, Safeco then sends you the results of your final discount. Now this is gonna be a two-part series because one, I wanted to show you how easy it is to install, the fact that there are opportunities like this that exist if you qualify for them. But also I wanted to do a second part to show you where I ended up, because again, I think I'm one of the best drivers that ever did it. But then also to finally answer that age-old contest of who exactly is the better driver, me or my wife. Thank you so much for watching Ask Woody Wednesday. It literally means the world to me that we're now 53 episodes in, thousands of views each and every week. It's not even my passion really at this point, it's my obsession to make sure that you're empowered with the knowledge that you need so that you can navigate this crazy world that we're in, so we can make insurance a lot easier to digest for you, answer any questions that you have, and like I said, empower you with that knowledge so that we can help you make the best decisions for you and your family and protecting your legacy and all of the things that matter the most to you and that you work so very hard for. I am here every single Wednesday answering the insurance questions that you have, or the insurance questions that you never even knew you needed to ask.